So then I proceeded to open the box to confirm my suspicions, and like I thought, there was nothing in the box. Somebody stole my wallet! Hey, welcome back to my channel, Dash of Luxe. If you are new here, welcome. My channel is all about fashion, beauty, and luxury handbags. So if that's something you're interested in, then please consider subscribing to my channel. We have lots of fun here. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about how something that I ordered for myself for Christmas disappeared and never arrived. If that's something you're interested in, then keep watching. Usually, I get myself something for Christmas every year. To me, from me. Just a little something, luxurious, because it's been a tough year. I've been a good daughter, a good auntie, a good girlfriend, so I deserve something special, right? And I've had my eye on a couple of things in the last couple of months on the pre-loved luxury market, and I decided to go ahead and buy them when Fashion File had their 10% off sale. I think it was around Black Friday time frame. So I decided to go ahead and purchase a couple of things. So I'll show you the first thing that I bought. It's just a little bit of a reveal, not really an unboxing. So I've wanted this item for a while now, and it was discontinued, so I couldn't buy it brand new. I had to buy it on the pre-love market, and it is the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 15. And I got a good deal on it. I got it for 10% off. And I bought it because I wanted to complete my toiletry collection. So now I have the 15, the 19, and the 26. So that was a little special treat to myself, something that I've always wanted. And I've always wanted all three. So I finally got them. And this was in excellent condition. Just a little bit of patina on the tab, but otherwise it is very clean and excellent condition. So I'm so happy about that. But what I'm not happy about is the second item that I purchased that never arrived. So this is what happened. So I've been looking for a wallet to match my Speedy 20 in this beigeish color. So I've been looking on the pre-love market, and when I came across the Toiletry 15 pouch, I also came across a zippy coin purse in the Tortorelle color. That's what they call this beige color. And it was 10% off also. So I purchased both the Toiletry 15 and the zippy coin purse all at the same time. And I waited for them both to arrive. They both came at the same time. Sometimes when you order multiple items from Fashion File, they might come on different days, but these came on the same day. So the UPS guy came, handed me my boxes. They were kind of stacked one on top of the other. I signed for them, took them in the house, and they came while I was working. So I kind of just put them in my room and then continued working. Then the next day I went to open them up. So when I picked up the first box, because you don't know what item is in which box, it felt so light. I was like, is there anything in here? I mean, it just felt like it was a box with nothing inside of it. And then I looked at the box more closely, and I saw that someone had cut open the seal and taped it back. And then I knew this was a scheme that Todd set up to come to me with the bull. So then I proceeded to open the box to confirm my suspicions, and like I thought, there was nothing in the box. Somebody stole my wallet. Now, I don't know who did it. I just know that somewhere between the Fashion File store and UPS, my wallet went missing. Okay? Now, I'm not blaming UPS, although I highly suspect, because during the holiday time frames, they be hiring them new drivers, and, they don't probably be doing background checks and stuff. But all I know is I didn't get my wallet. So I'm going to show you the evidence. Exhibit A. This is the box. And I didn't open it all the way because when I filed a claim, I didn't know what evidence they would need from me. But as you can see, there's nothing inside. but the fashion file confetti and my nail file. There's no wallet. I was so upset. That is the one thing that I really was looking forward to. I mean, I wanted the Toiletry 15 pouch, but I mean, it wasn't anything special. I really wanted a wallet to match my Speedy 20. So that was the thing that I was anticipating getting in the mail. So I called Fashion File, filed a claim. To make a long story short, I did get a refund. It took 14 business days, I believe. And on the 14th business day, I got an email saying, we weren't able to resolve the matter with the carrier, so we're just going to refund the money to your credit card, which was fine by me. I was a little worried because there is writing on the seal that says something like, if the seal has been broken, then you're not supposed to accept the package. But I didn't see that until after I had signed for the boxes and I was getting ready to open them. And then I noticed there was some writing on the seal. This is how it should have been. This is how it was. And you know, when you sign for boxes, you sign first and then they give you your package. So anyway, I didn't even have like an opportunity to not sign for the packages unless I specifically said, let me inspect the boxes before I signed, which nobody does. So I thought they were going to make a big deal out of that, but they didn't. I'm just happy that they refunded me my money without any trouble. But oh my God, I was so disappointed. Nothing like that had ever happened to me before. So just a word of caution. If you do get something in the mail that you have to sign for, inspect the box before you sign for it, which I wish I would have done, even though I got my money back. In the future, I will definitely be kind of looking over the boxes, even though the drivers are like in such a rush. I don't care. It's my money. So I'm going to do my due diligence and, look at the boxes. I'm just curious, has anything like this ever happened to you? If so, please let me know in the comments section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.